Right, welcome back. What a fucking cold day it is, isn't it? Jesus. Anyway, whatever. Got my heater on, close as I can get it to me. Just had my haircut. At the moment, you'll see this in the video in a minute. This is installment 4 of the restoration. I have taken the ignition barrel off. I'll show you how I do these, because they have them security pins that the bolt head snaps off once tightened. So you have to bash it out or drill it out, and I'll show you how I do that in a minute. Quick video. Started sanding some stuff down. This is the reservoir with the modification done. That's for the frame slider. Normally it's just no hole in it, but whatever, it's been done to mine. These are the throttle cable covers, mounts, whatever, and this is the clock and fairing mounts. So I started sanding that stuff down, which I'll be painting this colour, and also got a surprise for you lot. Although it does mean I'm not getting the frame powder coated anymore. I'd love to, but it costs too much. It's like 400 quid for everything I want for painted, powder coated. My shock's buggered. This shock isn't. Look at that. Look at the shine. Oops. Nothing in there of importance now. It's a YSS shock. But look how nice and shiny that is. So, to complement it, I'm going to be on my A game to get this restoration and paint look fucking mega. So there's that. I've got loads of other bits and bobs, you know, service kits, stuff, all that kind of stuff. But in this video, you just, as you'll see what I'm doing. I won't be painting today because I'm running out of panel wire, so there's that. But please like and subscribe the video to my channel and have fun on the journey. The sanding malarkey's not very fun, is it? This is the headlight, cloth mount and fairing mount, but it's from an F model, not an E model. This gets rid of the horrible H frame that you have at the front of it, in front of the clocks. So yeah, but what this doesn't have is any tabs for the wiring loom, the sub loom for the headlights, and any tabs for the relays for the headlights. There's 2 relays, one for main, one for dip. So what I'll do is I'll wait until I start putting the bike back together and put the loom in, so I know where to put the tabs. I'm going to weld some tabs on, but I'll get it sanded down for now while I'm at it. More sanding, more sanding. I might even polish these, you know. I probably won't paint these. Give these a good polishing. Let's have a go at that. Right, so just a test piece. This is going to be. This is quite cold still. I've had it in a bit of hot water. Needs a bit of grey primer, X primer. This is for the tank / seat mount. So this is just a test piece. Hoping I can get a decent result out of it, even though it's freezing. So then if I like it, I might do the frame in the same colour. So I'll just hang that up for now, and then come back to it tomorrow and see what I think. Oh yeah. Right. I know it's been a boring episode, just sanding down, painting things. Well, I've only painted the one. If I like that colour, I'm going to do all this. And maybe the frame in that colour as well. It's a satin black from Halfords. I'm just hoping it doesn't react with the primer I've bought. I've got some U-Pal and some that's Edge primer, and I've got some Salmonized grey primer for satin black. The Edge primer will be for bare metal steel stuff, and the grey primer will be for the aluminium stuff, and the plastic stuff as well, maybe the mirrors, I don't know. But yeah, so that kind of stuff. As for the triple trees, yokes, whatever you wish to call them, I'm going to get some what's it, my jiggers, my jobs, what do you call it now? Paint stripper. There you go. Get them stripped down, and then paint, then probably brush them, make them look like brushed out. Well, make them brushed aluminium. So I'll probably do that, because that's how they came original anyway, brushed aluminium. So I might do that. Don't know what grit go for. I might go for 1000 grit though. Might be a bit less, but a bit more coarse. So yeah, there's that kind of stuff. But I'm going out now. It's Sunday. It's now 5 o'clock, and I'm going to have a shower and go out.